Hi guys, it is a Saturday morning, still in quarantine season. I don't even know what day today is. It's the Saturday before Mother's Day. But I'm about to place an order and I thought I would tell you guys what I'm up to. I don't know. I thought it'd be pretty cool to share. So MidTown Nails, my nail place here in Charlotte, they can't service clients because obviously, and clients can't go to them, they can't go to clients. So what they're doing is they're making custom made nails for clients that want them. I don't have anywhere to go. I have no video to film where you're going to be really seeing me. I'm just taking it one day at a time here. But I wanted to order these in case in future I do want them and I don't want to drive all the way into uptown area. So what they asked me to do is send them measurements of my nails so that the size will be actually accurate to my nails, and that way I'm not getting something that's too small. I do have wide nails. So sorry you're staring at my measurements, but I look bummy. Not trying to show you guys my crusty face. But yeah, so what I did is I got some tape, and I only had moving tape because we just moved. So I got some tape. I put the tape on my fingernail and I marked in black ink where my nail stopped, the widest part of my nail. I'm not sure if you can see the little black ink on the side, but that's what that is. And so there's a lot of lint on here, but I just stuck it down here and I used a tape measure. They told me to use a ruler, but I couldn't find my ruler because we moved and I can't find anything. So I used a tape measure and I used the millimeter side, so pretty much centimeters, but you know, it's 10 millimeters makes a centimeter. So I did that. I just used the rungs here to measure, and I'll show you what that looks like. Can you see that? So I just measure from the black spot to the black spot. That's the whitest part of my nail. And you know, you get really close in there, you can count how many centimeters. So that's 10, 11, 12. So that's, you know, I think that was my pinky, and the widest one here is my thumb. So anyway, I'll take this one off. But that's pretty much what I did. And I would just stick this down and measure it. So yeah, I've measured my, you wanna join us? I've measured my pinky, my ring finger, middle, index, and thumb. And they mostly were the same, but I would still say measure them just because, you know, you never know. And I think they're going to keep doing these custom nails as for like maybe at least the rest of the year, so you can probably place an order and they'll probably ship it to you or something. I believe it comes with a nail file and also the glue to attach it to your nails. But yeah, so that's what I have, and I'm gonna just send it off in a DM to MidTown Nails, and hopefully I should be getting a text back soon when my item is ready. And I don't know what the pricing is. I think it was like 35 when we talked, but I honestly don't remember. But it wasn't horrible because when I get my nails done in person, I spend way more. So yeah, that's it. I just wanted to show how I measure it. Sorry, this video is not so clear, but they'll send you one. If you are interested in ordering one, they'll send you a how-to video with more details. And that's how you'll get your instructions. So yeah, I just took a picture of this and I am DMing it right now. All right, good morning guys. So it is Sunday morning, one of the quarantine days. Who knows what day it is? May something. Brandon, what day is it? Brandon? What? Never mind, it's May 17. So it's May 17 and I have not had my nails done in maybe 2 months. And I don't need to have them done. I'm not doing anything, I'm not going anywhere. But I really wanted to try out this stuff, this system, so I figured why not try it and show you guys, and if it's great, maybe y'all can place an order. But yeah, so I got my box from MidTown Nails. That's their details. And yeah, they made me this custom box. I think I showed earlier how I was measuring my nails to give them my measurements so they could make it custom, because I got some fat nails, y'all. Okay, like some big nail beds. Anyway, so I sent them that, and within like 2 days my set was ready for pickup, and I was gonna come pick it up, and she was like, you know what, it's faster if I mail it. She just mailed it over. So that's really great. I'm really excited. I locked myself out of my phone 5 minutes ago, so But yeah, she sent me some instructions on Instagram, which is how I was talking to her. Let me pull it up. Here we go. Okay, so she sent me some instructions. You know, left pinky to, you know, thumb. She told me to push back my cuticles, buff my nails, cut the glue tip, pea-size glue on your nail, stick the nail on, hold for 30 seconds, and let her know if I have any questions. So I'm gonna try to follow her instructions as she gave them. My nails are pretty short right now. I don't think I need to trim them, but I do need to file them down. Hi.
Hey.
You can be in it.
Oh, I was gonna get water.
That's okay.
So, I was still cleaning.
That's okay.
Or...
It's okay. He's so cute. We're doing cleanup morning. I cleaned some sinks this morning because I know once I get these nails done, I won't want to bend them all kinds of ways into tight spaces. But yeah, I was trying to show you my nails. So these are my nails currently. I didn't lotion my hands because I don't think I'm supposed to have oily hands when I do this. So yeah, I'm gonna show you what I'm working with. I have mismatched nail set stuff because I don't do my nails at home myself normally. So this packet only has 2 things left in it. I think it had a tweezer and another tweezer and scissors. I know where the scissors are, but I don't know where anything else is. I have another set my mom gave me recently. The tweezers are out as well. I love tweezers, you guys, okay? And 2 nail cutters, and what I really need is I think this guy, because I think that'll be my cuticle pusher thingy. And then I have this nail file from Fashion File, which should help. But I also think she sent me a few things just in case I didn't have them. I just brought these out in case I needed them. But I'm trying to get this done in like the next 10 minutes. So yeah, and then I'll show you my after, you know, when I actually have a shower and look like a human again. Look at him. Look at him. He knows what a camera is. He's just playing it up now. Hi, Mateo. Hey, baby. Hey. He's sick of us. He's like, take these humans away from here. So she gave me a nail file, buffer. This is an applicator. That's the glue. So I might need my scissors actually. But isn't this cute? I had her make me some Louis Vuitton inspired nails. They're so cute. I saw them on Instagram and she did a great job recreating. Only wanted 2 fingers to be decorated, so this is kind of cool. And I said not too long. Let me show you the ones that inspired this whole thing. Right there. They're kind of cute, right? But that's a lot of LV and I didn't want the red, so this is way more my style. But very cute. Oh, another one that inspired. This is probably what I'm gonna do next, the Chanel. I love these. These are the ultimate goal one day. But let's start here. These are a little busy. So this is the instructions video. Well, she showed me how to measure. She'll probably send you a copy if you place an order. But it's really brilliant.
And I'm really proud of myself. This is what they look like. I'm honestly so scared because it's weird when you do it yourself. You just don't trust yourself. So I need a shower, but I'm gonna actually wait maybe an hour to make sure they really are dry. Maybe even longer than an hour. I'm so scared. And then I will show you my clean girl routine, like what I look like when I actually get dressed. Just to test these out because I have to take them out for a drive even though I have nowhere to go. But yeah, I'm really excited with the way they turned out. What do you guys think? I'm still ashy because I don't want to put lotion on until this is really solid. But they held on pretty good, and I honestly think she measured my nails really well. They all fit quite well. I think she did great. These cost about the same as maybe even less than me going into the store, because obviously design usually costs more, and I think that's why these were I guess full disclosure, they were $48. I don't know, I think she's pricing based on what you're asking her to do though, because she had to go learn how to draw the LV logo, which is not easy to do with paint. I think she did great. Look at that. Anyway, so I'm really thrilled with how these turned out. I'm gonna go, you know, get dressed and I'll show you what I look like fully dressed. But yeah, I'm feeling myself. I feel like a bit of a human again because clearly my hair is not getting the same treatment. I refuse to go learn how to do my hair right now, like watch a video. I'm not gonna mess up my Sisterlocks. They'll be bushy, they'll look like crap, and my next retightening session might take even longer, obviously, but I would rather wait till it's safe to do so. So I'm okay looking a little bummy for now. For now, okay, there's only so much I can take, all right? But yeah, and I'll tell you now, Nina got certified in I don't know what it's called. I'll see if I can find the picture from her Instagram, but she's certified in cleanliness due to the pandemic. So when I do go back, I know she'll know what she's doing in terms of keeping me and herself safe. So I'm looking forward to looking like a human again. But yeah, all right, enough talking. Let's get to getting dressed.